Hi friends, this is Seshadri from OnCall HR. We are seeing on attrition. Earlier videos we have seen what is attrition, how to calculate, what are all the reasons for attrition. Today let us understand what are all the steps we can take to reduce attrition. If we take some necessary steps reduce attrition, definitely employee retention will be good. Let us see what are all the steps we can take to reduce attrition. First and foremost is recruit right people. Usually in interview, lot of technical rounds will be done and good technical sound people will be recruited. In addition to that, we need to see whether that persons are socially fit and cultural fit. Everything we need to see as a HR. If we recruit right people, definitely retention will be very high. Next is offer competitive compensation and benefit. Once you select the people, you should offer competitive compensation. For that, you should understand what is the industry benchmark. For that, you conduct salary surveys. With that, you can fix fair wages to the recruited people. In addition to that, you must know what is the competitor wage structure also, wage also. This we can fix competitive compensation and benefits. Next, once the people are recruited and joined, we should handhold new employees. How we can do? Through orientation and induction. When the people is coming from outside, they feel the insecure and outsider feeling. So we should erase that feeling. For that, planned orientation induction program must be there. When the employee comes in, you take to and introduce all the key peoples. In addition to that, make them to understand all the rules, policies, everything. We should not leave the employees to understand on their own. This will make the people to have confidence. Next step, listen to your employees. That is taking feedback. Feedback is very essential to make the people retain. When the employee is giving some feedback, it should be both the way, two-way communication, not one way. Usually some organization follows some tools to give their feedback. We should have two-way communication like open door policy. With this, they will be having very confident and they will have loyal also. Next, promote employee engagement. What is employee engagement? Usually we used to do some fun activities, some festivals. Yes, that also. In addition to that, you add some more thing. Daily, whenever the people are visiting, higher authorities are visiting, talk to the people, talk to the shop floor people and understand their requirement. You engage those people, what they are doing, what is their contribution, you engage. In addition to that, maybe some town hall meeting also can be planned to explain the employees to meet and tell about the organization and their performance. These are also will be counted as a employee engagement activities. Give recognition to employees is the next topic. Yes, every human being wants recognition. When you recognize their activity, what is their contribution, definitely they will have faith and confidence. Usually feedback, this is one of the feedback method, but this is the positive. When the employee is performing, we should give them feedback. Yes, you have done good job. You have to tell publicly, you tell. When the punishment is there, you should say separately, privately, but when the people are contributing, tell in front of many people. Next is offer career progression opportunities. Yes, we should offer career progression to all the employees. When the employee is having some growth plan, the employee will think, yes, management is concerned about me, so their loyalty and contribution will be more. The career path should be aligned with the organization mission. When it is aligned, both the company as well as the employee will be getting the benefit. Communication with the employees. Yes, communication plays vital role. Develop the trust among the employees. You should have proper mechanism to share the information to the employees. When you are sharing, when you are telling what is going to happen, what is your plan, so employees will have the broad picture. When they are having a broad picture, automatically when it is happening, it will happen very faster and correctly. So already they are having the information. Because of that, they will feel the sense of responsibility, as well as when you are adding those people in success story, their loyalty also is going to improve. So with this, communication plays vital role in retention or reduction of attrition. Next is very essential, introduce stay surveys. Usually we conduct postmortem report of exit interviews. Instead of that, you do stay interviews. When you are doing this, you will be understanding which things are making more excitement to the employee in their present role, as well as which is they are not liking. That also you can understand. With this, you can understand, you can modify your policies, whatever all the steps you can take. This stay interview gives you time to react or retain the people. You can ask in that way, in what are all the things most exciting you in your present role, or in case if you change the organization, what are all the things you may miss. Like that, you can understand the people. In addition to that, you can think of role changing also during stay interviews. With these are all the steps when we are taking, automatically employee will feel loyal, responsible. By that, attrition rate will come down and retention will grow. If you like this video, please share and subscribe this channel also if you have already not subscribed. Thanks for watching. We'll come back with another video. Thank you.